good TV every time. I don't know. Tune in, YouTube styling.
Lion Foot. Up front.
Lion Foot TV.
Yeah, man.
Lion Foot TV, we say. Straight.
We're not selling that was the Lion Foot TV and that was the Big Mama straight. Let's just say tune in. And you're not tuning in, you're not saying no, big up Lion Foot TV straight that I'm Mr. Rastafari to the world.
Lion Foot TV. Them know it, Lion. Empire Selassie and the Almighty Creator. Judgment in our road.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Yes, hello and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed, and as usual I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth and your health is your wealth. You're begging to please take care of it, eat right, drink right, do the right thing, help someone if you can, stay out of trouble if you want. Now if you're new to the channel and you feel like you're going to subscribe, please remember to click the notification bell so you always get that alert when I post a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. Now my kings and queens, lion and lioness, in this episode we're going to talk about Beenie Man and his new love, you know what I mean, and give my 2 pence. Also Dyeema and Taluk, a talented one, I toured down the whole America. Good look, great look. Yeah man, so don't know the routine after the break. Well, gentlemen, first the image of your device and Lion Foot in the ears and eyes. I represent for the real Indian, they don't know Kaipo. Them say big up every massive, every crew. Yeah man, Black Pan Black edition. You don't know, so the 18th of December, Irish memories. You know, say slapper settings, elegant settings, see? So make sure you lock it down the diary and make it on a priority. Yes man, the 18th of December. So I say just be prepared to come roll out with a good heart and a good mind and come have a good time. Yeah man, I don't know, so location, venue will be announced closer to the date. Zin, so stay tuned while more information coming soon. Yeah man, I don't know, the 18th of December, Irish Memories, Black Pan Black edition. Big up the whole Blackburn Pen, the whole Spain land. You see me I say, the whole Spanish town, PN land, Anna town. Big up everywhere. You see me I say, Saturn no say a word, Shot no say a word. You see me I say, no man Kaipo no say a word. Your burglar no say a word. Tanto! Yeah man, what wicked them tanto. 18th of December, roll out! Yeah man, Black Pan Black edition. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back kings and queens. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Do remember this vlog is sponsored by Kaipo and Real Indian. You don't know, Black Pan Black, the 18th of December. Yeah man, slapper setting, sky high, roll out to that event. Yes man. Now my viewers and subscribers, don't know, Beenie Man, new love, or once loved, now reconnect again with Camille Lee, Browning, Slimmers. Yo, watch some look footage of from Beenie Man and Camille Lee. Yeah man.
John Table, all not like this. Table. Stop the ram here.
Ching ching.
It's the birthday.
Mango and guava and some fruits.
Thank you.
Oh, this are the night. Oh, them dead.
Oh wow.
The video this me
Come, video that
them dead.
Whoa. No, it tastes it. It's bad. It's this. It's bad.
Yeah.
But it's fruit. It's with the fruit.
Coffee and
What?
chocolate something all on now.
Them dead now.
Yeah,
Where's my phone? Hold on, please.
What's that?
Oh, yeah, I kept that.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking about her, she have to turn her side.
But I'm turning to him.
Oh, now I get it. Me just eat meat first.
How you say?
I don't know if I like the
You
mix.
fuck up
It's sour and coffee. Like
Yeah,
coffee.
so you have to tell me how to take.
You kind of taste.
Don't worry about the taste, just eat.
It's
And drink.
that one here, yeah, that one here, that one here, nice.
What?
That one here.
I'm not ready for that yet.
Oh, this is what? Raspberry.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you see what I go on? That's loved. You think that's true love? Yeah, man, that look love and beautiful, you know what I mean? And nice to see. Beenie Man and Camille Lee, you know what I mean? Chilling out with them friends at a restaurant, eating and having fun, and one bag of sitting. Now you know in the street, be people that talk and speculate, and I say, yo, use Beenie Man and use her, you know? Now go work, it now go last, and this and that, perhaps not. You know, but my intake on it is Beenie Man is a real old.
We have to have them in a 2s and 3s, and everybody know we wild already. Believe you me name is Spring Pantana.
Remember, Beenie Man said, old dog like me have to get them in a 2s and 3s, and everybody know I'm wild already. My neighbor drink cut on that zoom tree.
From and that's where we are. Can we not live on the sharp road? Some happy monster. It's a drop in our car.
From me see a girl will look good, me have to fool her and get to me want. See, no, you know, so Camille is a nice browning. And a female, where them say, goes for artists and people with who have an eye statue. You know what I mean? Celebrities. You see, and the first name I call up an artist. You see, me say the next artist, bang it over here, you know, but I'm not going to call the artist their name. You don't know that way in the streets, you see it? Yes, but my point is this, when will Beenie Man, when is he going to settle down? You see me? Beenie Man, over the years, every minute in relationship, them never last. I don't know why. If he's the problem or them have an agreement with him partners them. Look on Carlin, the dancehall queen. See, man are last for a look a while. Our one child and them left. The Angel, our one child and them left. But the next one and them Crystal, our one child, then them left shortly after. I think they will engage or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Zine, no, we see Beenie Man in London, you know. With Camille Lee, I don't know if Camille Lee and Kaka Lee left before this happened or what, or Beenie Man intervened on the scene. But this is not the first time me hear Beenie Man name call upon Camille already, years ago. That me have a local fling, you know what I mean? Zine, so, I don't know. But when I say still, when Beenie Man go circle down, you see me? You can't tell a man to live them lives, you know, but this man go around here and have be the woman them. See, Beenie Man have the next baby mother over here, you know. Yeah, the next baby mother over here, but him never did a pay no mind. Not even to the youth them. You see me? So me I say this man, we don't know how him live film life, so when him go circle down, you see it? The man say he's an old dog, and he's really an old dog. See, but I don't know the older you get up to slow down and this have to settle down.
Yeah, man. From now on, I'm gonna settle down. No more, I'm gonna let you down. No, you could have run well left me, but you stuck around. That's why me decide to stop fuck around.
You know, man, I want to be old and grey and up on the moon. You want to have a woman beside you. So hopefully this relationship can last. Viewers and subscribers, you think it will last? Let me know, because it look like Beenie Man relationship them never last. I don't know why. I don't know if him and them have an agreement. If you say, yo, may I give you youth, then we move on. Or we lay down them rules before them start a relationship. Me don't know, I'm just saying, stating. You know, because you see, him and Crystal have a baby, then them decide to part ways. I don't know what was the reason, what's the cause. You know what I mean? And now Camille Lee. Viewers and subscribers, you think it will work, or you think Beenie Man up to something? Me don't know, but trust me, I wish them all the best. And I do hope it works, but we have to just watch and see what go on and the outcome, how long it will last. Zine? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so that's just my intake on it, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Beenie Man come like him. Beenie Man love browning too, as you can see. I be a browning and slimmers and top girl him deal with, you know. As I'm saying, I'm song. Ouch girl and all of them girl, them off and all dog. Zine. The Angel, nice browning. Carlin, the dancehall queen, Crystal. You see me? No. Camille Lee, the latest browning, slimmers, look good, everything. See, so I don't know how Kaka Lee feel right now. You know. When Beenie Man just came to England, somebody tell me, you know, say, him see him and I flex away in a party, you know, but him don't know. So I say, you know, I'm not run with it, you know, because I don't see nothing bust out it, so I don't want to be the first to spread any false news or nothing. So I'm not touch it. Yes, man. But here it is now, bust out, not the open. So the person that reached out to me was right. You know, based on the flexing where him say, him and Camille Lee, and Beenie Man just came to England with it, you see me? They come like a long time, them on network, and Beenie Man say, yo, me I come for you, you know, I come back to England, you know. If I go left Kakali, you know, and me I come for you, you know. And she said, yes, me ready. Zine. So as we can say, we wish her the best. Wish them the best. You know what I mean? Yeah, she said she want to be happy. And everybody deserves to be happy, rightly so. You see me? But you don't know, it look like a Beenie Man at the problem because he's always a move on. Can't circle long. And I've never seen this man. I spend the time with him youth them. You know, like I see some artists, you know, I spend time with them youth and hold up a picture and them thing there. You know. I must see him daughter alone, I see where the man and I take up a picture. I remember she wasn't good with him at all because she said he wasn't there. See? Now this is what the people them saying over the years and the woman and everybody. I know me I say so. Beenie Man no dead for him youth them. He just go on and breed them up and say, yeah, me have 5, 10 youth. But he never really play a father figure in them life. I don't know financially or not. But yeah, the angel say, she have to do everything. To make sure Marco didn't got him right schooling and this and that and perhaps not. You know what I mean? So, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. I would love to hear your feedback. You know what I mean? Do you think Beenie Man is a player? Do you think he's a real good dad? Or do you think he's gonna settle down now with Camille Lee? Let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Next, now watch Dyeema and Talib, the talented one. Now I'm part of Hotel America.
Alive, Hotel View, nice! Another love ending, Lord Jesus. Meanwhile, some pussy attack, and I catch feelings with touring. Did you do that? Hey, Whitney! Whitney! Oh my God, coming on, Whitney, look at the balcony. Alive.
Yes, man, I'm not lie. Dyeema emphasize, man, that wicked do. Some pussy. Yo, big up yourself, Dyeema, tall up. You know them to America for some while now. I tour down the whole place. You see me, I say, big up the whole bosom on the north side. Lock it. You see me, I say, footer. Yeah, man, you don't know. That was just a quick update. Making you know, say, yo, Dyeema and tall up at work and the chicken them a jerk. Is it? Yes, man. So, you don't know my viewers and subscribers. That was just a quick update. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. I don't know. I'm out. Got another word out of my mouth.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.